It's summer here at Dollar Tree, which means all new items I can't wait to show you, so let's go. As soon as I walk into the store, my store always puts the new items out over here. The last time we were here, we found that honeycomb charger plate. Now they have this one, it's got these really cool little raindrops on it. It's that time of year where they have all of their summer dinnerware items out, and these are my favorite all year long. I find that what they put out for the summer is super pretty and ones that you're actually gonna wanna pick up. Let me walk you through everything they have because it's a lot. Now, the first thing I'm noticing are these food storage containers. They have these vegetable and dip containers in 3 different colors. They also have these larger sandwich containers, which honestly, it's a little bit big for a sandwich container, but you could use it for anything else. For all of the food storage, you can pick it up in the colors green, gray, and coral. Let me know down in the comments which color you'll be picking up. For just $1.25, you can pick up this stackable Sure Fresh organizer. I love these. I bought one similar at Walmart. It was around $5. Yes, it was bigger, but you're gonna get 3 food storage containers for $1.25. If there's one item you're gonna be running to Dollar Tree to pick up, it's going to be these trays. Now, I believe maybe last year they had this tray. It says new, but I'm not sure. This tray is so big. So you can get this lemon. I think the lemon's my favorite, but it also comes in some other varieties. Let me show you. You can pick up the turtle pattern, watermelon, and butterflies. How adorable are these crystal glasses? And they come in so many colors. You can get this like light blue color. I think the most popular color is the clear because I'm only seeing a few at my store. But let me show you, there's even more. There's this like fun, like red color, so pretty. And then they also have this dark blue. Check out these reusable ice packs. These are so much larger than the ones they've had in previous years. Love the lemon. You can also pick it up in watermelon or an orange slice. These small trash cans are great to put in your office or a bathroom. For your next outdoor get-together, Dollar Tree has so many fun cups, plates, and napkins. If you watched our last solar light video, don't worry because they still have lots of solar lights out. Moving into the summer organization, again, you can find it in those same colors, that green, coral, and gray. There's several new items we haven't seen before. This is a new bin they have out. Also this one for summer. It's always nice to have these woven baskets. And my favorite are the totes. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. My store is already putting out fall florals. I also found these little glass jack-o'-lanterns. Let me know down in the comments if you'll be picking these up this fall. It finally happened. Dollar Tree got new peel and stick wallpaper, and there's some really good ones you guys are gonna wanna pick up. The first one over here, how gorgeous is this? I already have so many DIYs in mind for this. I'm gonna be getting this one. Other one that's really pretty is this flower pattern. This is very in right now. And then for like a fun room, I could definitely see this pink one being cute. A more traditional new one is this herringbone pattern. We just found this one hiding. How cool is this? This like countertop style marble finish. We're gonna be getting this one. Last summer, they started carrying all of these woven baskets over here in our floral department, and I think they're becoming a permanent item because we keep seeing new styles in this basket. Whenever you go to the floral section, make sure you check the canvases because every time I'm here, it seems like they have new prints out. Have you guys seen this size? This is a completely new size. I picked out 3 of my favorites that I'm gonna be picking up. We just spotted a Pottery Barn dupe here at Dollar Tree for just $1.25. These mugs are gorgeous. They're only $1.25. They look so natural and realistic, and there's 4 different styles. Whenever I come and do these shopping trips, I'm always looking for new ideas that I can show you in DIY videos with the new items they have out here. And I just noticed these little containers. They're gift containers, but they remind me of those containers that I use to put my remote in, or just like a little trinket tray. So I'm gonna get one of these to do a DIY for you. They come in 2 different sizes. I've been waiting for Dollar Tree to come out with some item like this. These metal drawer pulls are something that you could buy at any Lowe's or Home Depot. They also have this style. And then these heavy duty hooks, how great are these? Just $1.25. In the beauty section, I spotted a few new items like these buggable mosquito wipes. These are great if you're gonna be sitting outside in the summer. Another new fun item is this towel scrunchie. If you're getting in the shower, you can put your hair up in a bun and it's not going to crease your hair. Love these. Another really fun item are these brushes that you can put in your shower and they hang on any hook. I recently bought these large hair clips off of Amazon. They're like jumbo size and they work really great, especially with all of this hair. But here at Dollar Tree, they have the exact same thing and they come in all these really pretty colors. You have this blue option, there's a purple one, even this large pink one would be great. And then there's another pink one as well. Have you seen these new no snag hair ties? They have them here at Dollar Tree in a pack of 8. Over in the beauty section, we spotted the best dupes. These are for the brand Native and they're called Personal Care. They're just $1.25. They have peach rings, coconut vanilla, and jelly beans. We also found a clean shampoo that's sulfate and fragrance free. I'm in the food section looking for deals. One thing I spotted are these bars. I eat the Special K bars and I felt like this was the exact same thing. You get 4 in a pouch for $1.25. The next time you're at Dollar Tree, make sure you pick up these food storage containers. I think they're such a good deal. They come in all the fun summer colors. You can get them in the round ones. They also have the square option. More summer storage items. These are great in your craft room, or I like to use them in my car for small items. Sometimes it's hard to know what are the new items over in the kitchen section, but I'm pretty sure this black charger is new. It has this great pattern detail around the edge that's very trendy. There's this new line here at Dollar Tree called Simple Kitchen, and I'm noticing these new mini mitts in several different styles and colors. I'm over here in the organization section, and probably for the last few months now, we've been really wanting Dollar Tree to put out some new items. They answered. We have some new organization items out. The first one that I spotted is this container that has a lid on the top. Now I have to tell you, it's not made super sturdy, but I feel like it would work pretty well. And it's just $1.25, and you get the lid and the base. Now over here in the hook section, I found a new item. These are over-the-door hooks. They come in a black and a white. I just spotted this great new gadget they have here at Dollar Tree. It's a 2-in-1 melon baller. One side has the melon baller, the other side is the scoop. This 5-pack of fidget noodles comes in this little ball and it would be perfect for any gift basket. Have you tried my favorite flossers here at Dollar Tree? They are this little pink flosser pack. They also have them in a kid version, and they're starting to expand their line to this one with a double flosser. And they have it in this green. Let's see what's new in the Dollar Tree Plus section. This under the sink organizer isn't new, but really popular and sells out pretty fast. For $5, you can pick from a variety of fabric shower curtains, and it seems like they keep getting new styles in. Dollar Tree has $5 welcome mats. I think this one right here is my favorite. It's similar to the style I normally get, but there's a few different options to choose from. I'm even seeing early signs of back to school here at Dollar Tree. There's several push pin options that you could get for your cork boards and lots of fun colors. You have this gold one, and probably my favorite is this iridescent. These cute little pom-poms and thumbtacks. I spotted this new wall mount rack. Now you'll have to let me know if this is new before. You guys are the best at knowing the new stuff here at Dollar Tree, but I think this would be great for $1.25. Let me know down in the comments which of these products you're gonna be picking up the next time you shop at Dollar Tree, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.